Hot tips to help you improve at affiliate marketing. If you wanted to play baseball, you would need to learn the rules and to be coached by someone skilled in the game. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You need to learn about the market and take wise advice from people who know how to succeed as an affiliate. Here are some tips you can follow. Keeping track of which affiliate programs are making you the most profit is a great way to ensure you're paid what you deserve for the time you're spending. Conduct regular reviews of how your affiliates are performing. If you remove affiliates that are not performing up to standards, then you gain room for new advertisers that can bring in more revenue. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. Review the reputation of the affiliate program you want to work with. Unfortunately, the world is filled with people running scams. There are affiliate programs out there that will avoid paying out commissions you've earned. They will close up shop and open up under another name. Work with companies that have a reputation for fairness. Provide good quality, useful content on your affiliate website. If you provide visitors with well-written, helpful videos and product reviews, they will be more likely to trust you. Once you have earned the trust of your website visitors, you have a much better chance of persuading them to buy a product via your affiliate link. The tips you have just read in the video above were put together by individuals who have made it in affiliate marketing. These aren't simply some best guess platitudes pushed out for the purposes of filling paper. Make sure you follow these tips so that you can be successful as an affiliate marketer. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.